How to use Viber on multiple devices. So Viber works with one primary phone and then lets you link additional devices. So maybe you want to link your tablet or desktop. So first of all, you can add Viber on a second device. You can download your Viber, open it, and choose the yes when you are asked if you have Viber on your phone. Then you will have a QR code. So where you're going to use this QR code is on your primary device. So let's say on your main phone where you have firstly Viber installed in the first place. But anyways, go ahead into your account, go to the more section here in the bottom right, and once you're there, you will be able to see something like this. Navigate yourself to the top right with the QR icon. So once you press on that, you will get a little scanner. Then that's where you can scan your QR code. So place the code in the center of the square and it will be scanned automatically. Once you do that, you will also see something like this in the top, a little notification. So that's somewhat a confirmation that it worked. And then on the next device, this will show up, or in your first device, pretty much depends wherever. But you're gonna have to approve chat history sync to desktop. So most likely it appears on your first device. So press on sync over here and then it's just gonna go ahead and sync your history. So you're gonna keep Viber open on your main phone or main device until the sync is completed, and then you also go ahead and press on got it. Just make sure you don't exit Viber or turn off your first device. But that's pretty much how you are going to be able to use Viber on multiple devices. So you can only have one primary mobile device as well, but multiple linked desktop, tablets, or devices. So if you activate Viber on a new phone as well, it will deactivate on the old one. So no two phones, but it can be on a different device. So that's pretty much what you're gonna do to do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.